सबअर्बन डायग्नोस्टिक गोंयांत लॉन्च जावन 2 वर्सां पुराय जालीं. ह्या लॅबाक उत्कृश्ट तंत्रज्ञाना खातीर NABL मान्यताय मेळ्ळ्या. आर्डेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला.
Over the last 2.5 years, when we started as a small lab in Goa, to where we have reached, over the last 2.5 years. The biggest announcement that we wanted to make was laboratories in India. There must be about 1 lakh laboratories in this country. Of these 1 lakh laboratories, only about 600 or 700 of them have accreditation. Accreditation means it's a process. It's an ISO process, ISO 15189, which is meant only for clinical testing laboratories. Now, out of 1 lakh laboratories, only about 600 of the laboratories in this country have accreditation with NABL. NABL stands for National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibrating Laboratories. And under NABL, ISO 15189 focuses specifically for medical testing laboratories. Now, Suburban Diagnostics has had NABL accreditation for more than 15 years. We have been present in Mumbai for 23 years and we have been NABL accredited for more than 15 years. In Goa, it was our mission that when we started the lab in Goa a little over 2 years ago, we had made that announcement that we would be the first standalone lab in Goa to have NABL accreditation. And we are happy to make that announcement today that Suburban Diagnostics in Goa is the first standalone NABL accredited lab. Today, we are largely focused on being present in Western India. So we are focused in Mumbai, in Pune, and of course in Goa. Goa, when we started little over 2 years ago, we had 1 lab and we had just 2 collection centers. Today, we have that 1 lab, but we've got 7 collection centers which are spread across the entire geography of Goa, and we have 3 more collection centers in the pipeline. So we'll have a network of more than 10 locations across Goa in the next few months. What this means is that people don't need to come all the way to our central lab in ACAM in Madgaon, but they can go to our collection center. We have a logistics network that will take the samples from our collection centers, bring it to our main lab, and the reports are electronically sent back to the collection center. So patients get that convenience of being able to get high quality NABL quality reports across the network of Goa. That's the opportunity that we want to provide for Goa.